What you're looking at right now is not supposed to exist. Cadillac hasn't confirmed it. There's no official press release, no dealer allocation, no window sticker. But these renders, these absolutely insane renders, are already breaking the internet. And honestly, I think Cadillac might actually do this. This is the 2026 Cadillac Model 30, and if this thing goes into production, it could be the most important American car in 30 years. Let's talk about what we're seeing here. Up front, you've got this enormous vertical chrome grille, and I mean enormous. It towers over everything. It's classic Cadillac DNA from the 1950s and 60s, but it's been stretched, modernized, and made aggressive in a way that feels almost intimidating. That crowned Cadillac crest sitting dead center, that's not subtle. That's a statement. That's Cadillac saying, "We used to own this game, and we're back." The headlights are razor thin and stretch wide across the hood. Low slung, predatory. Combined with that wide front stance and those massive chrome multi-spoke wheels, this thing looks like it was designed to swallow highways whole. From the side, and this is where it gets truly special, the profile is long, sleek, almost fastback in shape. There's a roofline that drops beautifully into the rear, giving it that grand tourer silhouette. Think Rolls-Royce Spectre meets 1967 Cadillac Eldorado, a neo-retro masterpiece. The chrome trim along the beltline, the white pearl paint reflecting off the ground. This car looks like it belongs in a Hollywood film from 1965 and a 2026 auto show at the same time. Then you get to the rear. Oh man. A full-width LED light bar cuts straight across the tail. Bold, clean, modern. The Cadillac script badge above it in classic cursive lettering, something the brand hasn't used in decades, gives it this old-money aristocratic vibe. And down below, you've got 4 exhaust tips, quad pipes, loud, unapologetic, and absolutely gorgeous. Now, powertrain. Nothing confirmed. But given what Cadillac has been cooking up with Blackwing, the rumor mill is pointing toward a twin-turbocharged 4.2-liter V8, producing somewhere around 550 to 600 horsepower. Think CT5V Blackwing DNA, but in a longer, more refined package. Rear-wheel drive standard, all-wheel drive as an option. And yes, there are whispers of a hybrid variant down the line to satisfy emissions regulations while keeping that V8 heartbeat alive. If those numbers are even close to accurate, this thing will move. Fast. Very fast. Pricing. Again, speculation. But if Cadillac is targeting the Rolls-Royce Ghost and Bentley Flying Spur crowd, we're probably talking somewhere between $150,000 and $200,000 at launch. Maybe higher for a Blackwing performance variant. That puts it in serious territory against some of the most prestigious names in the world. And speaking of competition, who does the Model 30 go up against? Well, if Cadillac gets this right, it's going straight at the Bentley Flying Spur, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, and yes, even the Rolls-Royce Ghost. All 3 of those start well above $100,000. All 3 are European. And for decades, American luxury has had no real answer to them. This could be that answer. Look, is the 2026 Cadillac Model 30 real? Right now, it's a render, a dream, an interpretation of what Cadillac could do if it had the courage to swing big. But the DNA is all there. The history is there. And frankly, the hunger is there. America built the greatest luxury cars the world had ever seen, in the 40s, in the 50s, in the 60s. Then something happened, and that crown got passed overseas. The Model 30 looks like Cadillac finally wants it back. Drop a comment below. Would you buy this? And if Cadillac actually builds it, what color are you going with? If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We cover the wildest concepts, the hottest leaks, and the best renders in the game. I'll see you in the next one.